Imagine Elon Musk building Tesla and SpaceX, Jeff Bezos revolutionizing e-commerce with Amazon, or Mark Zuckerberg connecting billions through Facebook. These visionaries started with little more than an idea and a passion for innovation. Their stories prove that anyone with determination and the right strategy can make a mark in the tech industry. Whether you're dreaming of founding the next big startup or simply starting your tech career, here's how to turn ambition into action. Motivation: the power of starting small. Every tech giant started small. Musk learned programming as a child. Bezos worked on Wall Street before starting Amazon in a garage. Zuckerberg coded Facebook from a college dorm room. Their success wasn't overnight. It was built on curiosity, persistence, and continuous learning. You don't need a perfect plan to begin. You just need to start. The tech industry rewards problem solvers and lifelong learners. If you're ready to commit to growth, your journey begins today. Tips to kickstart your tech career. 1. Choose your path. The tech industry offers countless opportunities, from software development and cybersecurity to AI and data science. Identify your interests and explore areas that excite you. Starting with a clear goal helps you focus your energy and resources. 2. Learn the basics. Start small by mastering foundational skills. Programming languages. Learn Python, JavaScript, or another beginner-friendly language. Problem solving. Practice coding on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode. Technical fundamentals. Understand basic computer systems, networking, and databases. 3. Gain hands-on experience. Build real-world projects to showcase your skills. Develop a website or mobile app. Work on open-source projects. Create a data visualization or small AI model. Your portfolio will be a powerful tool to demonstrate your expertise to employers or clients. Pursue certifications. If formal education isn't an option, certifications like AWS, Google Cloud, or CompTIA can validate your skills and boost your resume. Many resources are free or affordable online. 5. Network with purpose. Success in tech isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Attend tech meetups, hackathons, or webinars. Connect with industry professionals on LinkedIn. A mentor or peer group can provide invaluable guidance. 6. Stay curious and adapt. Tech evolves rapidly. Embrace lifelong learning by taking online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, following industry blogs and news, exploring new technologies like blockchain or AI. 7. Embrace failure as growth. Even the biggest names in tech faced setbacks. View challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Perseverance is often the key to success. Final thoughts. If Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg can transform simple ideas into global impact, so can you. The tech industry is open to dreamers and doers who are willing to learn, adapt, and persist. Take your first step today. You might just create the future.